For today's video, I'm going to go over some vocabulary words for addition and subtraction. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at those now. So the first word we're going to talk about is add, and that means to find a sum or total. For example, 5 add 6 equals 11. Now that's not a very good example of using the word add. What I would say is add 5 and 6 to get 11, but that's just my opinion. Addition, a calculation of the two sum or total of two numbers or things, money, coins or banknotes used to pay for goods and services. So basically, I'm just showing you an example of a note and a coin basically here. Amount, how much? An example here I have is, what amount of money do you need to buy these items? So the bear here costs 90 cents and the spinning top here costs $1.29. Commutative, when an operation plus and times can be done in any order and the total stays the same. For example, 6 plus 4 equals 10. And 4 plus 6 equals 10 are both examples of commutative. Complement, something that makes up a whole. For example, 80 and 20 are complements of 100 because they add together to make a whole. So for this example here, I've got 6 and 12 are complements of 18. Difference, how much bigger or smaller one quantity is compared to another. And in this explanation here, I've got to find the difference between these numbers, we subtract them. 900 minus 450 equals 450. So 450 is the difference. Equals, the same as shown by the equals sign here. And in this example, I just got 3 plus 3 equals 6. Equivalent, equal to. For example, 10 tens is equivalent to 100. 1/2 is equivalent to 2 quarters. Now, if you're wondering what 2 quarters are, I've got this visual here. So 2 quarters equals 1/4. Plus 1/4, which equals 1/2. Greater than is more than. And I've got this visual here with these base 1 blocks here. 4 is more than 2. And you look at the sign here, it's going towards the bigger amount. Less than, smaller than something else in size or number. So for this example, I've got 2 is less than 4, and as you can see, the symbol here is going away from the 2 and it's going towards the 4. Missing number, when some information in calculations is not filled in. So looking at this example here, I've got 11 here, and then I've got a question mark for the missing number, and I've got 6. What is the missing number, by the way? That's right, it's 5. More than is greater in size or number. 4 is greater than 2. So as you can see, it's just another way of saying that it's bigger or it's more or it's greater here. Okay, so I'm just giving you another example with vocabulary words. Regroup, exchange for something with the same value. For example, regroup 10 ones to make 1 10. And in this visual here, I've got, we can regroup 223, subtract, to take away something from another. For example, if I subtract 10 apples from the basket of 25, I have 15 apples left. Subtraction, a way of finding the difference between two numbers or quantities. And here it says we find the difference by using subtraction. So for this example, we've got 320 minus, which is subtraction, 160 equals 160. take away, minus or subtract. For example, 25 take away 13 is 12. And if you're all like, well, it's basically the same thing. Yeah, it is. It's just giving you more vocabulary for you to use. Total, the answer to an addition calculation. For example, 202 plus 450 equals 652. So 652 is the total. So I just wanted to show you some examples of the vocabulary words that exist for both addition and subtraction. Now there's tons out there, I'm sure. So what you can do is, if you can think of any others that I possibly missed, just drop them in the comments down below, and I would love to hear what you have to say. So that'll do it for today's video. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.